businesses. Diba, multiple years. I was surprised that there's no liability. Hindi nagbaborrow yung mga companies or even at the personal level. Diba?
Kaya lang pinagluluko ng mga politika dyan, guys. No?
Expenditure. Kasi would you believe this, ito lang yung assets, this is their net worth, even the every summer here in Europe. So, where are the kids studying? Just the tuition fee alone. Diba, that would reflect the
Tinatarantado lang ba yun? Politics
and
yun.
again, more or less, the fact that
Grabe
we
ang
have this
pagpapanan
reaction
ng
with
nila.
respect to the SALN. Sir,
Wala
it
na.
also
Kaya
serves
lang
as a
niloloko
trigger.
dyan.
Diba? Kasi if the public finds it ridiculous, I think it should raise a red flag.
Ang
Not just
politika dyan, wala
us
na.
as public, but also
Grabe, ang
to the
kurap na.
ombudsman. And then it means that they should really start doing lifestyle
Mas
checks.
kayo pa ang mahihiya sa kanila, no? Mga ordinary people, dapat mga public servant, ganyan sila. Lalo na yun sa Escudero.
Na tinitirhan mo, right? Na alam na ng lahat. Si Senator ganyan, dyan nakatira. Okay. Pero let's say nilipat na nila sa isang corporation yun, a family corporation, or another corporation. So it would not be under your name technically, baka. No? So, paano magagawa na isasali yun? Let's say, my address is so-and-so Forbes Park, so-and-so Dasmariñas Village. Ganyan, isusulat. Who is supposed to value the property? Mahirap kasi kung sila rin magpa-value. Naka-under-declare.